don't know if you can hear me. So yesterday I went in to get my car serviced, and I left out with a new car. It's still a Beetle. It's a 2018, so it's brand new. It only had 71 miles on it. So yeah, it's blue. Right now I'm at the car wash. I'm getting my mother's car wash for her, cause I'm off today. She's at work. So yeah, this is my car key. I got a Volkswagen Beetle SE 2018. It's blue, like I said, and I got an SE. The SE is the trim next to the highest trim, which is the Dune. So yeah, I got the interior that I want. It's a tan interior, beige, cream, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I am tired. I'm tired. It was very kind of random, but necessary transaction. So yeah. Hi guys. So I got me a brand new Beetle. I have a 2018 Volkswagen Beetle. Duh. So this is the little booklet that it came with. You got Sage or her autograph on the back. And they come with this 6-year, 72,000 miles bumper to bumper limited warranty. And for I think like $30 more, I got the, what did I get? I got the 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So this is the one I really wanted. Since I had to get a brand new one, like, why not get what I want? So I really wanted this one or the habanero orange, but they didn't have that available. And I like this color too. This is the Dune. And this is the interior to the Dune. But the Dune one is awesome. That's the, no, that's not the Dune. This is the Coast. That's the Dune. Yeah, so you can like build your own Beetle. So I didn't build my own Beetle. I got whatever was on the lot. So yeah, this is the habanero orange one. I really wish I could have got that one, but I got a blue one. I'm gonna show it to you. All right, guys. So this is Beetle. This is the new one. It's blue, and it has like a tan interior. Different rims, not like the RL rims that I had. But it still has a spoiler, so it's still sporty. It's still a turbo. And it's cute. And I got my mats that I said I wanted to get. My Beetle mats. And this is pretty much how the interior looks. And I have a sunroof. And all this stuff here. And then that is the back. Oh yeah, and I didn't show you the trunk. This is not a car tour video. I just wanted to like, it's hot in this car. This car has leather seats, heated seats, sunroof, all that. Backup camera, even though I don't really care about that. It has Bluetooth. It has everything my other Beetle had, but this one is a 2018. It has way less miles. This one, when I got it yesterday, it had 71 miles on it. And when I got my white Beetle, it was 6 years old, so it had 84,000 miles, I think. 84,000 miles on it. So yeah, I'm about to take it back to the dealership right now so they can detail it, because they didn't detail it yesterday because I left like so late last night. I was the last person at the dealer, so it's really hot. And yeah, it's hot. That's the thing about having leather seats. It's like really hot, so I'm definitely gonna get some tents on my car because it's hot and it's really hot. So yeah, it's push to start. This is like a more up-to-date infotainment system. So if you put the radio on, you can like slide the stations. It has XM and all that. This one looks a little different too. This speedometer, tachometer area looks a little bit different from what I had before, but everything else is exactly the same. That's why when I got a 2012, I didn't really care about the year. I just cared about like the maintenance, the upkeep of the car, because it's an old Volkswagen, so yeah, that's high maintenance. But oh yeah, and this is up to date too. This is like a little different, more fancier. So I have a SE. There is 4 trims with Beetles. You have the S, you have the Coast, you have the SE, which that's what I have, and then you have the Dune Buggy, which is like the top of the line, the sporty, like boom boom boom, like the Boss, Hugo Boss Beetle of the group. So I got this next to the highest trim. So yeah, that's what I have. Like high, you have Saharas and you have Rubicons. So yeah, I got next to the highest trim. I got my little nice color on the dash. That's what I wanted. And on the doors and in the back. And this box is called a Coffin Dodger. Coffin something German. I'll have to like look at my book and tell you. Coffin Hager box. So it's like my little secret compartment. But yeah, I like this box. The base model, it was a 2018. It didn't have this box here. It didn't have this box. It just was like plain. It was like, it said Beetle in like nice little cute letters, but it was just like, no, it didn't have a sunroof. It would look just like my car. It was white. It had the spoiler, but it didn't have a sunroof. So I was just like, I mean, if I'm gonna go 2018, I might as well just get what I really, really want. So, or I could just keep because I love my Beetle that I had. So yeah.
So you want the driver to sit? Okay. Yeah.
So I just realized you can text from the car. Like my other car, it had like the phone book and all that, but I couldn't text nobody. So if you go to, let me see, phone. Oh, my phone is not connected. So yeah, but look, I could put my crystals right here. This car was made for me. I like it. And it has like a grip thing right here so they don't move when you turn corners. Like, I like that. I'm gonna put my Hamza right here. The other one had the music note, the other Beetle. This one has the Hamza. Because it's giving off a different vibe. And I got the same steering wheel cover for now. I like that you can see the blue. Aww. I got my dream catcher here again. first. It's a nice day out here for my first day of work. Look at my car. Hey, car. All that pollen got washed off of here.